Welcome to Mission Udaan, where purpose powers every action. This mission isn't about capes or glory. It's about giving flight to those whose dreams have been grounded for too long. In a world where opportunity isn't equal and silent struggles hold people back, Mission Udaan invites your team to build mobility tricycles and sewing machines, not just as products, but as tools of independence, dignity, and empowerment. Assemble mobility tricycles and sewing machines from scratch. It's a hands-on test of teamwork and intent. These aren't just builds, they're stepping stones to self-reliance. Tricycles will help differently abled individuals move freely and access income opportunities. Sewing machines will equip women with tools to learn, earn, and become self-sufficient. Now improve your creations. Add practical features, ensure comfort, and tailor your build for real-world use. Think with empathy, build with purpose. Present your work, then gift it to real beneficiaries, NGOs, women's groups, or individuals from underserved communities. See your effort turn into real-life impact. Mission Udaan is about transforming effort into empowerment. You'll walk away with deeper team bonds and the pride of having enabled mobility for the differently abled, empowered women with livelihood tools sparked employment that uplifts communities. This is your moment to rise and help others rise with you.